Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add arc shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open our Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert arc shape. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Shades drop down menu. And we can see there are many shades, but not available the arc shape. Now we want to add arc shape. We make this manually. Select this pen tool and click inside. Then press shift on our keyboard and make it curved. Then select the move tool. Now we can see we make our arc shape very easily. You can resize it, otherwise you can change the color. Now I select the stroke color and change any color. Now we can see we insert our arc shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.